Hello, this is Sean from Pristine Audio. Today I'm going to be showing you a computer case built with Be Quiet's Pure Bass 500DX. So I'm going to turn on the power and show you what's going on. So you're going to see the booting sequence with the codes in the middle there. And then I'm going to cycle through different RGB modes from the front panel control button here. So this is the first mode after just blank. Next mode. Next mode. Let me remove the ambient lighting so you can see the RGB a little better contrast. Yeah, it's really going on now. I like this amber. The fading amber. Notice how the front panel bar is fading with the internal lighting as well. All right, next mode. Next mode. Next. Ooh. Green. Next. So it looks like with each color, it has a solid, fading, and revolving. See how the light inside revolves around as the front bar moves downward. Now just revolving a little faster. It's blue, blue fading, blue revolving, and blue. I guess this is sort of different type of revolving with more not as smooth but more discretized movement. In yellow. And purple. Now this multichromatic, as a cycle through different color. Let's see what the next mode is. It just goes into each color and then fades to black. Now it's just quickly revolving as it transitions through different colors. Looks quite busy. Now black back to dark. So I'm gonna turn on the light so you can see what's going on inside. So as you can see, I have the Noctua NH15S, the dual tower cooler with a 140 millimeter fan turning. And in the back is the Pure Wing 2, the 140 millimeter fan that comes with the Be Quiet case. And I got two more on the front. No fan on the top for my setup. And I'm gonna move to the BIOS to show you what's going on with the fan configuration. So the system fan 1 is the fan on the back, the system fan 2 and 4 are the fans on the front. They're turning a little over 500 RPM. And a CPU fan that's turning just below 700 RPM. And looking at the temperature, they're well under control, with the PCH being the hottest at 46 Celsius, which is nothing wrong with it. The CPU running cool at 38 Celsius. By the way, this is the Ryzen 5 5600X. And I just have a Radeon RX 550 graphics card. Nothing fancy. Going to the smart fan menu, show you what's going on. So the CPU fan is on this fan curve as a function of temperature. Now I'm gonna go back down to the computer so you can hear just the noise level. So as I get closer, you could probably hear the fans. But since this is under the desk, so when I am at the sitting height, I can hardly hear it. Okay, I really like this case. The build quality is pretty decent. For $100, you can't go wrong. All right, please leave a comment. Bye.